Take a ride in the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, privacy glass, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.